The Symphony of the Farm, a day of animal sounds. Old Mr. Brown lives on a small, peaceful farm. His farm is near a big green forest, a blue river, and a quiet pond. Every day, he listens to the many wonderful sounds of his animals. At 5 o'clock in the morning, the sun begins to rise. The rooster stands on the fence and crows loudly. Cock-a-doodle-doo! This is Mr. Brown's alarm clock. Next, the chickens wake up in their coop. They walk around looking for seeds and making a soft cluck-cluck-cluck sound as they peck the ground. Small yellow chicks follow their mothers. They are very tiny and make a high peep-peep-peep sound while they run through the grass. In the barn, the big cow is ready for breakfast. She moves her head and says a long, loud moo to tell Mr. Brown she is hungry. The sheep are in the green field eating grass. When they see the farmer, they call out to him with a ba-ba sound. Near the gate, the pig is playing in the soft, cool mud. He is very happy and makes a short oink-oink sound as he wiggles his pink nose. The horse stays in the stable. When he hears Mr. Brown's footsteps, he says neigh and stomps his feet because he wants to go for a run. In the bright afternoon sun, the ducks walk to the pond. They splash in the water and say quack, quack, quack to each other. The geese live near the river. They are very loud and make a honk-honk sound when they see a stranger walking near the water. A small bird sits on a branch of a tree near the house. It sings a beautiful song that sounds like tweet, tweet, chirrup all afternoon. The farm dog sits on the porch. When he sees a rabbit in the garden, he jumps up and says woof, woof to chase it away. Inside the farmhouse, the cat is sleeping in a sunny spot. When Mr. Brown pets her, she makes a very quiet purr-purr sound. Up in the sky, a large crow flies over the forest. It looks down at the farm and calls out, caw, 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 with its strong voice. Near the flowers, a fuzzy bee is very busy. It flies from one petal to another, making a constant buzz, buzz sound. As the sun goes down, the turkey walks back to the barn. It shakes its red neck and makes a funny gobble-gobble sound. When the moon comes out, the frogs near the pond start to speak. They sit on lily pads and make a deep ribbit-ribbit sound in the dark. High in the trees of the forest, the crickets begin their music. They rub their wings together to make a chirp-chirp sound all night long. In the middle of the night, a wolf howls from the deep forest. It looks at the bright moon and says "awoo" into the cold air. The last animal to make a sound is the owl. It sits on a high branch and looks around with big eyes, saying "hoo, hoo," before it flies away. Mr. Brown loves his life on the farm. From the first rooster crow to the last owl hoot, these animal sounds are his daily music. They tell him that all his animals are happy and safe on his beautiful farm. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Kids Love Nature.